Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you. We got about, I think maybe 3 inches so far, nothing too crazy. What's up, Malachi?
It's cold.
It is cold, it's like 12 degrees out right now. So we're just getting the trucks cleaned off, getting salt loaded up, and we'll be leaving pretty quick here to go. I think it's about 3 a.m., something like that. What's up, James?
Hey.
You excited?
Oh yeah.
We are in the middle of what they were claiming to be 15-inch storm. So I think we've gotten about 3 inches. It's drifting quite a bit. The wind's blowing a lot, so it's possible that in some spots we might have 4 to 5. But it's not too crazy out right now. You can see there's barely any snowflakes. There's a little bit there. Nothing too crazy. We just did one property that you probably either just saw or haven't seen yet. One of the two. So me and James forgot to hook up the salter, so we are headed back right now. I know that's like a super rookie mistake. I can't believe I did that. It's one of those things. I was looking at the back of the truck, back of the red truck, and thinking, man, why does that look so weird? Well, because you don't have a salter on it. So anyways, we're headed back right now. That's actually James right there in front of me. We're headed back right now to get that hooked up, and then James will head over to the west side and start tackling some of those properties. Well, it's going really well so far. The storm is not dropping an awful lot right now, but it's blowing really hard, so we're getting a lot of drifting. Just did this driveway. As you can see, it's still snowing quite a bit. But like I said, it's more about the drifting at this point. James and Malachi are over on the west side. They're taking care of some stuff, hopefully getting some footage. And I'll get the next driveway for you so you guys can see that. see, it's lighter out already, so we're the majority of the way through our list. Stuff's going well, but like I said earlier, it's just blowing really hard, so there's tons of drifting. This is a lot that we have not hit yet. So James and Malachi will be here soon. And we'll plow this lot, all three of us together. Maybe grab some food and then start making our rounds again, checking on a few things. And then there's another company that might need help later, so we might end up going and helping them out, and then coming back to our stuff. I have not looked to see what time this storm is supposed to end, but once we know when it's going to end, we'll basically maintain up to that point, and then we'll do a final cleanup. So that being said, we're cruising right along. We're just finishing up the main commercial stuff and going from there. So here, let me get out and I'll show you this lot a little bit. It's a pretty good size one, not huge. By myself, I think it takes me 35 minutes to plow, although with this new pole plow, maybe 20 minutes. So, as you can see, that's the entrance right there. Got some pole barns where they keep buses in there, and then obviously the main entryway right there, and then two little islands, one over there that you can see, and then this one right here. So not too bad. There's a sidewalk that runs right along there, and it goes all the way from this building all the way over to the pole barns over there. How's it going, buddy?
Good. I'm ready for another 24 hours.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I don't know about James though.
Think you can handle it?
Yeah.
Malachi's wants to go for another 24 hours.
If we do, we'll just have to take a break in the middle and then go back out.
I'm down. It'll be fun. I just need a pop in me, you know?
Right. Mountain Dew.
Code red.
Wow, just filming that for like 3 minutes. I'm freezing. That rarely happens. It's cold. Yeah.
So, we're taking a little break. I took a little pit stop. Got some donuts. Both kinds, because I don't know how long we're going to be out here. And then I got Code Red. And then Voltage. So, we'll see how long those last me. And it's still snowing pretty good. It's 9. Still snowing pretty good.